Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iachinos. Sorry for no updates yesterday. Major technical issues, including I lost all my charts. So that was just icing on the cake. I have to recover them all and everything. I'm just doing a couple quick videos tonight, so we get things out there. I've just reset these up with some major levels because I've had to set them up from scratch, and I'm just focusing on a couple of the majors. And then hopefully by the end of the week, we'll get everything back to normal. Again, thanks for the patience and thanks to all our subscribers. Bitcoin, US dollar, we're watching this for this potential double top. Still, this one is still a potential double top. This has not made a triple top yet according to our rules. So these downside targets are still in play. Just as a review, first major target 8,096, so 8,100. Next one 78.15. Next one 75.37. That would require a close and an extended move below 86.52 though. Now, if we rotate back up into this prior topping area, that was a triple top, and these become invalid. Right now, we're watching to see first area of resistance I'm really focused on is this prior GAN level, 93.49. Then if we get through that, we'll watch for this other top, about 95.65, and then we'll go to the new high areas, 10,010, so that's 10,000, 10,185 to 10,253. And then 10,602. Let's switch over to that ever important daily chart. So what's interesting is we're holding near the 8 right now, but it's not getting a lot of traction. So we're going to see what happens also as this as the 21 comes up. You also see every time we're dipping right around the 8,800 mark, buyers are stepping in to propel it higher, but it's not getting much traction. So watch what happens, especially over the next 24 hours as the bottom of the rotation zone rises up, to see if this can get some traction. Otherwise, this is acting pretty weak and can't sustain any rally. And then we're not bearish yet, but if we do, the 21's out of the way and the 50's almost out of the way on the daily. So if we were to get closed below this level, there's very little support to stop us going lower, so then we'd really be watching for those lower targets. Switching over to Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, on the other hand, has formed a triple top. Now this is 3 tops, and they fit within our rules, so I've taken off, or I haven't actually put back on, the double projection lower, because that would not be valid. If we were to break down the levels you could watch for, first level 1184, next one 1140, but right now we're back above the rotation zone. This didn't cross here, but we got a double cross pattern, which means we had the correction on the bigger time frame. So now we're going to be watching for key support coming in about 1414 and to the lower end 1384 to see if we can catch there and rotate back up. You can watch for these intermediate levels. I can put those up there. So intermediate levels you can watch for would be 1533 and 1567. Then if we break out 1622, 1665, 1700, and eventually 1822. Bitcoin Cash is acting stronger than Bitcoin at the moment. Switching over to the daily, see what this looks like. So again, we're getting very key support right at this 1333 level. Also rising 200 coming in right there, and you see the 8 now hit the price here. It dipped below yesterday but bounced back up. 8 hit the price, and now that's what we're watching for to project higher. If we were to break lower, especially below about the 1324 level, then the next key level down on the daily chart is to watch the rising 21 coming in with the 37 hour retracement, which is coming in about 1200 to 1211. So those are the levels to the downside you'd be watching for Bitcoin Cash. So what we have for you on Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash right now. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.